Hello parents and students, the 2022 SHSAT exam is rapidly approaching this Thursday, November 17th. This week, here are some important tips to keep in mind. Practice. This is your last week available for that final practice push. Next up, review. Review all classworks, homeworks, lessons, and strategies. Don't forget your cons review sheets. Next up, go to bed at the same time every night by 9:30 p.m. at the latest. Follow cons take-home schedule. Also, avoid arguments with parents and family and friends. Your SHSAT is the most important thing. Eat the usual food that you usually eat, not a time to try any new food or activities. And remember, 2 nights before the exam, take just 10 minutes to de-stress so you don't have to stress out during the day of the exam. The night before the exam, close all of your books and study materials by 5 p.m. to balance your preparation and relaxation. Be confident, carry on, you got this, congratulations.